Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically upload a house to gallery in Sims 4. So go to the build mode first, and then you're going to select save to my library. And then I am going to select save lot. Here you're going to type like your house and stuff like that. And you can also adjust like how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms it has, and modded maybe. And then you're going to select share lot to the gallery and also save lot to my library. If you want to upload it, you're going to obviously share it to the gallery. I'm not going to do that because I did not really build this house. Like, I mean, this is all pretty stuff. Again, all of my files is in my hard disk, which is it's I can't really load it. Okay, I'm like trying to load it because I really want to play The Sims again, but yeah, I'm just trying to do with what I have. Just trying to make with what I have. I'm like all over the place right now. Anyways, that's the tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.